Having a baby is a dream of every couple. This presentation would help you understand how you can turn your dream into reality. So, let us begin. Failure of fusion leads to failure to conceive. However, there are many other reasons why conception may not occur. For all these problems, there are different techniques available that would help you have your own baby. This presentation is meant for all those infertile couples who would like to conceive and have their own baby. Let us get oriented to the solution of your problem, which would bypass nature's hurdles. Modern advances have offered a really impressive way to deal with infertility. Intrauterine insemination is a simple procedure of introducing washed sperms into uterine cavity just after ovulation. In this process, the progress of follicles is monitored by ultrasonography till ovulation. Once ovulation is induced, either naturally or with hormonal injections, washed sperm concentrate is introduced to time the process of natural fertilization. In many cases, this will be highly successful. A live baby can be developed in a test tube in early stages, which is later transferred to the mother's womb for further development. This entire process is known as in vitro fertilization or IVF. It means the initial stages of baby making takes place in a special environment outside your body. Isn't it great? Let us now talk about how exactly this is done.